Roof Safety Guardrail Hire, Install and Dismantle, Melbourne West. Located in Melbourne, this investment offers a good turnover and is extremely versatile with high potential for expansion. Family run since 2001, the business provides height safety protection for roof tilers, plumbers, solar panel and air conditioner installers. This home-based business can be operated from any location in Melbourne's West with minimal running costs. The investment includes all roof safety guardrail systems and accessories, plus a 2008 Isuzu truck. Operating hours are flexible and no advertising is required as work is derived from word of mouth. On-site and admin training is provided, and all you need is a garage or shed to store the equipment. Already successful, there is great potential to increase your revenue with advertising and expanding areas. There is a huge demand for safety systems, so this business could be expanded into other parts of Melbourne. A motivated buyer might also consider franchising the business and expanding to other states.